How to create group in Line app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you create group in the Line app easily. So if you want to create a group in the Line app, you just want to open up your Line app onto your device. Also make sure that you are connected with your other friends that you want to add or that you want to create group with, and that you're connected to a stable internet as well. Now what here you need to do is basically you want to open up the Line and then go to the chat section, after which you just want to go ahead and tap on the create button. So at the top you have this create button, tap that out, click on group, and as I don't have many friends on my Line app, so the list won't appear. All you need is just go ahead and select the person or the people that you actually want to go ahead and add it to a group, and just go ahead and click on select as group member from the option, and then select the friend that you want to add them to a group. Enter the group name, and if desired you could also set a profile picture. You can also choose whether members join automatically or need to accept an invitation. And all you have to do is to finish this steps, you just want to click on the create button, and you've completely created a group chat or created a group in Line app easily. This is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.